How to make text transparent in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how you can make text transparent in Capcut on PC and Mac, so let's dive in. First, you have to go to the media section over here, and then you have to go to this AI generated or the library option, and you have to import a black screen. Once you find the black screen, click this plus sign and add it to the track, and then you have to just select the text over here and then go back to the local option. And now you simply have to go to the text option over here and add text. And now just choose any text that you want to add over here. I'm just going to add a demo text over here for this demo video. And then once written, you can adjust the text over here. You can just adjust the size by dragging these corners. And then once done, you have to just select the text and the video over here and then right click and create a compound clip. Once a compound clip is created, now go to the media section and import a video from your desktop. And now you simply have to add this video to the track over here and then just drag the demo text above the track. And once done, you have to select the text and then come to this video option and then the basic menu under the video option, and then scroll down and find this blend option and turn it on. And now just open the drop down menu by clicking this arrow over here and then choose this normal option, and then it's going to bring you to this drop down menu and you have to choose this darken option. And here you can see that it has made my text transparent. Now you can adjust the transparency by choosing this opacity over here, and you can drag it and adjust the transparency. And that's the process that you can follow to make text transparent on Capcut on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.